from the RT_TCZ, can't speak today, store on Instagram. And what we have here is some stainless steel and aluminum hood latches for the 2018 and up Jeep JL and JT. Now, these don't come with any sort of installation instructions. However, if you're used to wrenching on your Jeep, should be pretty easy to tackle. So, as you can see, bolt right in, standard Allen keys, which are included in the product packaging. The only thing that you are going to need, and I'll show you, is a socket set. You need some 10 millimeters to take the old ones off, 13 millimeters to put the new ones on. Super easy install, quality, high quality stuff here. Latch, a nice American flag on there, a little patriotic feel to it. They lock right in. Super solid, 5 stars. Check them out now. The link's posted in the description below. They're also